need some user-defined functions to help you solve a right-angled triangle, then you can download this free workbook from my website at XlsDesign.com or .co.uk. I'm going to assume you're reasonably familiar with VBA, so if I go to the editor, which is Alt and F11, then we can see we have a module here, and that contains all 20 functions for you. Okay, let's go back to the worksheet, and we'll start by deleting the hypotenuse, angle X and angle Y. Now, as we want to find the hypotenuse, what we do is we just start typing what's in the title above. So if I go equals H by P, and as you can see, we've now got a list of formulas available to us, and in this case, as we want side X and side Y, it's going to be using two sides. So double click that, and it's put it into the formula bar for us. So we can now select our two sides, which happens to be side Y, and we need to separate it with a comma, and we go to side X, close bracket, and hit enter, and there we have it. It's worked it out for us. The arguments for the data in the formula bar need to be separated by a comma. That's pretty much it, to be honest. That's it. Right, hope this has been useful for you. So don't forget, it's a free workbook, so pop along to my website and have a look.